This is the shocking truth about the pomegranate. The pomegranate is a round red fruit filled with juicy ruby-colored seeds called arils. One fruit can contain over 1,000 such seeds. Although the pomegranate probably originated in Persia, cultivation spread quickly throughout the Mediterranean and extended to Arabia, Afghanistan, India, and China, where it came to earn its secondary moniker, the Chinese apple. It's hard to say exactly why, but the pomegranate would go on to capture the hearts and imaginations of cultures around the globe. It symbolized death and fertility in ancient Rome, and grows in paradise according to the Quran. It also played a central role in the Greek myth of Hades and Persephone, in which the lord of the underworld traps the beautiful Persephone in hell by tempting her with a delicious pomegranate. Incidentally, this is also how I met my wife Linda. Despite its associations with eternal damnation, the pomegranate is in fact a bringer of life. It is perhaps one of the most medicinally potent fruits in the world. The pomegranate's fruits, flowers, bark, roots, and leaves are prized in many ancient cultures for their restorative properties. It's not just alternative medicine that recognizes the medicinal value of this storied fruit. Contemporary scientific research has revealed that pomegranates may help to prevent serious conditions such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. And there you have it, folks. Whether it's decorating the annals of history or garnishing a $17 salad, the pomegranate is truly the stuff of legends. This has been the shocking truth about the pomegranate. From all of us here at Dherbs, good night.